Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your selfies into hyper-realistic AI-generated avatars using the Glam AI app. In just few taps, you can create stunning, shareable content, and I will walk you through the entire process. First, head over to the App Store or Google Play and download the Glam AI app. Once installed, you can sign up using email, Google, Apple ID, or just continue without an account. As you can see, I'm already logged in completely for free. No account needed. On the home screen, you will find categories like AI avatar, fashion makeover, and glow up filters. Pick the feature you want to try. For example, let's choose the cyber core style. Some premium filters require a pro subscription, but many options are free to use. Next, tap the plus icon to upload a photo or take a selfie directly in the app. Glam AI will process your image in just few seconds. Once your image is ready, you can swipe through different styles, adjust filters, and find the perfect look. When you are happy with it, tap save to download your AI generated avatar to your device. And that's it. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.